Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the issues of you can't create your avatar on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve you can't create your avatar on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter, or you click on the window or to the app of Snapchat. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.